Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys learned some great information in my last video, but today we are going to talk about 3 reasons why Tesla stock is falling right now. So as you can see on my screen, I'm using a simulated trading program on Thinkorswim, which basically means you have paper money. And when you have paper money, it's a fake account. You can basically just use it to learn about the trading, make trades that you wouldn't normally do with a lot of capital and see how they perform. So we're just going to be using this to check the Tesla chart. So let's go ahead and search TSLA for Tesla ticker. So we got that right here. Let's go ahead and change to 5-day, 5-minute. It will bring up a 5-day chart of Tesla. And let me go ahead and tell you guys the first reason why Tesla is falling right now. So back in the beginning of August, Tesla announced a 5-to-1 stock split. And basically what that means is they're going to be offering, more shares to the public. So for every 1 share of Tesla you have, you receive 5 shares back. It doesn't mean Tesla's at, 1,500 and all of a sudden you just get 4 more shares of Tesla. That's not what happens. Basically the stock dilutes and the price lowers down, but you still have the same amount of shares. This just allows for other traders, other, people who might not have as much money to buy shares with. This allows them to buy shares. So it's better for the company overall, and it's better for the share buyers also. And as you can see, this effect came, I think this was Monday, or I think it happened over the weekend or something, but the effect came in Monday. I think that's Monday. But when it happened Monday, the overall stock did amazing the next few days. So you can see the overall surge in the shares bought for Tesla because the stock is lower. So, even though, Tesla is already in a massive bubble right now, I think the stock is way overvalued, but people are, betting on the future, and it is the future. So it somewhat makes sense, but the evaluation is just, crazy high right now. You can see that it went crazy. It went all the way up to a high of 538. That is crazy from a low of 443. Not a low of 443, but from where it was before the surge. But yeah, the reason why it's now going back down, because we had that high and now it's going down over the last 3 days, is because the stock is correcting itself. So whenever, for most stocks, whenever they offer more, more shares and the price goes lower, that means the stock's going to go higher. And usually when it goes higher, it's overbought. So right now the stock is way overbought. And that's what happened here. The stock is starting to correct itself now. And when it's in correction, it's going to go lower. And now let's go ahead and get into the second reason why Tesla is falling right now. So if we go to Google Chrome and we go to this article right here, it says Bailey Gifford cuts stake in Tesla. And Bailey Gifford is a major stakeholder in Tesla right now. I think they had over 7% stake in Tesla. That's very big. That's a lot of money. I think there's about 44 members on that company board. But they cut their stake. So basically they sold a bunch of stock. They sold a bunch of positions in Tesla. I think it was around 19 million shares. Yeah, go ahead and do that math for the price that Tesla's at right now. That's a lot. What that does, it just sells off their shares. It brings the market down. What it also does, it scares other investors, because when you have a big stakeholder like that and they're selling off shares, it scares off other investors, and that means sometimes they just sell off too. But usually what this means, it's not a bad thing, because I believe they are buying up more positions, or I believe their overall portfolio had to be diluted down for Tesla because it was too big. So they're just kind of spreading their money. But people take this as a bad sign, and it brings the market down when there's that many shares being sold. That is the reason number 2. Now let's get to number 3. This might be one of the biggest ones. If we go to this other article by CNBC, it's talking about how mega cap tech stocks are in a massive bubble right now. Important names like Tesla are included in this bubble. And you can even see here, breaking news. This is after today, Thursday. After the market closed, the Dow futures fall 100 points as Wall Street braces for another drop after Thursday's sell-off. So, it wouldn't be surprising if tomorrow we had another sell-off going on. What a bubble is, basically, it means that stocks are overbought. That's what it comes down to. Tech stocks specifically are very overbought. And what happens is the market will correct itself, so it will go back down to, you know, the correct price, and a lot of people can lose money in this. So you guys take that as it will. Yeah, that is one of the most important reasons why Tesla is, you know, falling, because we think this bubble is starting to sell off right now. My opinion personally is I think it's right, but I don't think it's as bad as people think. I think the bubble sell-off is going to happen, but I think Tesla, most importantly, they're going to have a sell-off like they're having now, but I don't think it's going to be as bad as people say, just because it's such a high thought of stock. So many people can buy it now with the dilution and with the split. So I think it's going to happen for a few days, and then maybe next week correct back and get higher. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Those are my 3 reasons why Tesla is, you know, falling right now. If you guys haven't checked out my previous videos, go ahead and check that out. You guys go ahead and follow me on my social media accounts. I'll put them in the description below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for future content that is coming. Like I said, I'm in quarantine right now, a 14-day quarantine. I just moved to Hawaii from California. That's one of the many things that trading has allowed me to do, so I hope you guys can stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.